Updating your PAN card is essential to ensure seamless high-value transactions and compliance. Don't let an outdated PAN disrupt your banking services. Let's see how you can update it easily. Start by visiting the HDFC Bank website. Next, go to Digital Services and scroll down now. Click on PAN card updation. You are now on the PAN card updation page. Let's get started. Enter your registered mobile number to begin the process. Verify your identity using your date of birth or customer ID. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter it to proceed. Confirm your PAN card details and move toward the two-step authentication process. Complete the two-step authentication process using net banking, debit card or Aadhaar eKYC. If you select debit card, enter your card details and click Submit to continue. If you select Aadhaar eKYC, enter your Aadhaar number and provide your consent to proceed. If you select net banking, enter your customer ID and password to move forward. Congratulations! Your PAN card has been successfully updated.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.